President Benigno Aquino III has been in combat mode against Chief Justice Renato Corona. He does not spare the kickoff event for the People Power Anniversary 2 weeks ago.
Si Ginoong Corona ay may nakatagong 31.5 million pesos na hindi po idineklara. Di ba tayong lahat ay mapapasabing naman, alin po ba ang totoo, Ginoong Corona?
He shifts his tone on Saturday, the EDSA anniversary day itself. Instead of hitting Corona again, the president chooses to trumpet the country's economic gains.
Hindi po natin ugaling magtaas sa sariling bangko. Pero kapag 16 na beses tayong nakapagtala ng all-time high sa Philippine Stock Exchange Index at kapag ang Moody's, Standard & Poor's, Fitch at Japan Credit Ratings Agencies na po ang makailang beses na nagangat sa ating grado, hindi naman po siguro pagyayabang ang tawag dito. Resulta po ang tawag dito. Reformang nagbubukal sa adhika nating maghatid ng tunay na ginawa at pagbabago. Resultang dulot ng ating tamang pagugol ng pondong nararamdaman at napapakinabangan ng maraming Pilipino.
At around the same time, independent pollster Pedro Lailo Jr. reports waning public interest in Corona's impeachment. In a survey conducted from January 28 to February 6, most Filipinos say their priority is to put food on their table. Listeners react differently to Aquino's economy-centered speech.
Yung mga sinabi niya tungkol sa ekonomiya.
Ekonomiya, kung maangat na tayo.
Oo.
Naku,
Others have unmet expectation.
Ano po reaction niyo nung pagkatapos ng speech? May hindi na yata nabanggit siya.
hindi. Okay lang naman din yun, no? Na hindi niya nabanggit. Pero kami, mananatiling magbabantay.
Gawin ang tama sa araw-araw.
The president's so-called Aquinomics creates expectations his anti-corruption drive will eventually propel the economy forward. But survey results say Filipinos are giving Aquino only until 2013 to deliver on his campaign promises. Next year, as the nation holds its midterm elections, voters will judge for themselves whether Aquino has been true to his campaign slogan, "Kung walang kurap, walang mahirap." Paterno S. Macal II, Rappler.